Hey, welcome again, guys. So, the last time we spoke about your tasks overview and your overview dashboard, and today we are going to talk about how to add the projects overview to your overview dashboard. Now, for those who are watching this for the first time, the overview dashboard is what shows you all the tasks that you have to get done today based on the priorities and the importance and the urgence. I'll have the link to the video below. You can have a look again on how we built the task database. This is a dashboard where I've incorporated the task database and sorted it out to show only today, tomorrow, and this week so that you know exactly what you are working on this week. But today I want to talk about the projects overview. The projects overview, as you can see here, I've added a new projects overview in my daily dashboard. So this gives me a good picture into what are the projects that I'm working on, how it's progressing, what are the tasks that are involved, and this is directly linked to my projects database that we will have a look at in a little while. So if you see here, it shows you the tasks view or the projects view. We have it based on deadline, your review date, importance, people that are working on the projects, and priority. The way we set the priority is based on a formula from importance and urgency. So if it's high importance and high urgency, then it's given top priority. So it shows up on top of the list. And I'm able to get these pictures based on the priority matrix, which is a formula. And you can see that in the task management video. And this is a beautiful infographic which shows you a graphical representation of how much is finished, what's your progress, and what this basically does is every project has a certain number of tasks, and those tasks, it calculates how much of those total tasks have been completed. And as they complete, you see the projects moving forward. And if you are going to add more tasks, you see that your progress is lower. So you have a review date and the status and tasks that are linked to it. So I'm going to show you how we pull in the data, or from where we pull in the data over here. I've added this from my project database. So you have the task database here, and then you have the project database here. So if you look at the project database, you have completed, which is a formula based on the status. So if I change this one to completed, it just goes away because I've sorted it out or filtered the ones that are completed. I don't want it to show. Um, and so let's just show this and change it back to in progress. Right, so I have all my projects here. So we have the project name, we have the status, we have importance, and this is used to show the priority. And then we have a review date, which I use to again sort it out and look at the calendar to see which projects I need to have a look at on how they're progressing, what are the tasks that need to be done. So it's really important to have a review date, a deadline date. I think review date is a little bit more because I use deadline for tasks. So the review date is more in terms with the project database, and the deadlines are more in terms with the tasks database. And I have another way of calculating the formula here. And then we have a link to a relational database, that is, I'm linking it to the task database. So I want every task which is connected to a project to show up here. And based on how many of those tasks have been completed, the progress bar. So in this, I have about 3 tasks, and one of them are complete. One of them is complete. So it's showing me about 33%. And we have a priority matrix, and we have people here. So this is the project database. I'm going to have a template for this below so that you can copy it for free and use it. And I think it gives you a fantastic overview on your projects and what needs to be done. For example, let's open this one up, create a new website. So if you open it up, You see importance, we have progress, and we have the tasks that are linked to it, which are which are which are coming in directly from your task database. We have your urgency and the total number of tasks, and then you have an overview. So if once I go open the page for the project, I want to see all the tasks that are involved. So you can see here you have select template and only one of this is completed, and this is coming directly from the task database. So I can go in depth on how I built this in a future video, but for now this is the overview, and I hope this helps you. I hope you can copy the template and use it yourself, so you will have access to the project database and the task database, and you can create your own projects and go further. So hope this was helpful, and see you in the next one. Thank you.